What if I told you that one simple thing, sitting in your kitchen right now, could repair the damage happening inside your cells every single day? Not a medicine, not an expensive supplement, not something you need to order online, something so common that most people walk right past it in the grocery store without giving it a second thought. Your DNA, the instruction code inside every single cell of your body, is being damaged right now by pollution, by bad food, by stress, by the sun, and even by the normal process of breathing. Every day this damage builds up, and when enough damage builds up, it leads to faster aging, chronic disease, and in the worst cases, cancer. But science has found one thing that can actually help your body fight back, reduce inflammation, and repair itself from the inside. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly what it is, what the science says about it, and the right way to eat it every single day, so your body actually gets the full benefit. Stay till the end, because there is one simple trick at the end that makes this food up to 2,000% more powerful. Most people have no idea about this. Welcome back to Fitness to Go, where we break down health and science into simple steps that anyone can follow. If you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell so you never miss a video. Now, before I reveal the food, you need to understand what is actually happening inside your body, because once you understand this, everything else will make complete sense. What is DNA damage and why should you care? Inside every single cell of your body, there is a complete set of your DNA. Think of it as the instruction book that tells your body how to build itself, repair itself, and keep running properly. You have around 37 trillion cells in your body, and every one of them contains this instruction book. Now here's the problem. Every single day, this instruction book gets damaged. Scientists estimate that each of your cells suffers between 10,000 and 100,000 small acts of DNA damage every single day. Your body has a built-in repair system that fixes most of this damage automatically, but the problem comes when the damage happens faster than your body can repair it. This damage is caused by things called free radicals, unstable molecules that attack your cells and break apart your DNA. Free radicals come from air pollution, processed food, alcohol, stress, too much sun, and even from the normal process of your own cells making energy. When DNA damage builds up over time, it speeds up aging at the cellular level. It weakens your immune system. It causes long-term inflammation throughout your body, and it increases the risk of serious diseases. This is why what you eat every single day matters so much more than most people realize. The right food can help your body fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and support DNA repair from the inside. And there is one food in particular that science has studied more than almost anything else for exactly these reasons. The food is turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that has been used in cooking and in traditional medicine for thousands of years, especially in South Asian and Middle Eastern cultures. But modern science is now revealing exactly why it is so powerful, and the results are extraordinary. Inside turmeric, there is a natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin is one of the most studied natural substances on the planet when it comes to fighting inflammation and protecting your cells. Let me show you exactly what it does. Inflammation in small amounts is your body protecting itself, and that is healthy. But when inflammation stays switched on all the time, what scientists call chronic inflammation, it becomes one of the biggest drivers of serious disease in the world today. Chronic inflammation is silently linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, depression, Alzheimer's disease, and cancer. It damages your tissues and organs over months and years without you even feeling it. Curcumin in turmeric directly blocks the main signals in your body that keep inflammation switched on. It works on a molecule called NF-κB, which is one of the main switches that drives chronic inflammation in human cells. Multiple published studies have compared curcumin to anti-inflammatory medicines and found it works at a similar level, but without the harmful side effects that come with long-term medicine use. This is not a claim. This is published, peer-reviewed science. This is where turmeric becomes truly remarkable. A landmark scientific study tested several different spices to see which ones could protect human cells from DNA damage. Turmeric was one of the strongest performers in the entire study. The research found that people who ate cooked turmeric had significantly less DNA damage in their cells compared to those who did not. Turmeric reduced DNA strand breaks, which are the most serious type of DNA damage, in a measurable and scientifically proven way. And here is an important detail that most videos get wrong. This DNA repairing effect was found specifically for cooked turmeric, not raw turmeric. When turmeric is heated during cooking, the curcumin becomes more active and more powerful inside your body. So cooking with turmeric every day is not just flavoring your food, you are actively helping your body repair its DNA. Free radicals are the main cause of DNA damage and cellular aging, and antioxidants are the substances that stop free radicals from doing their damage. Curcumin is one of the most powerful natural antioxidants ever discovered, but it does something even more impressive than just being an antioxidant itself. It also activates your body's own antioxidant defense system, making your body better at producing its own protective compounds from the inside. Think of it like this. Most antioxidant foods send in reinforcements. Turmeric sends in reinforcements and upgrades your own defense system at the same time. It works on two levels simultaneously. Research has shown that curcumin can cross what scientists call the blood-brain barrier, a protective wall around your brain. This means it can work directly inside your brain tissue. Once inside the brain, curcumin boosts a protein called BDNF, which is sometimes called the brain's fertilizer. BDNF helps grow new brain connections, improves memory, improves mood, and protects the brain from conditions like Alzheimer's disease and depression. Studies have also shown that people with depression have lower levels of BDNF, and curcumin has been found in clinical studies to raise BDNF levels, producing effects on mood that are comparable to some antidepressant medicines. This is one of the most exciting areas of current turmeric research. Now here is the thing I promised you at the beginning, the one thing that makes all the difference. Curcumin on its own is very poorly absorbed by your body. When you eat turmeric without anything else, most of the curcumin passes through your digestive system without actually being absorbed into your blood where it can do its work. Studies show that curcumin has very low bioavailability on its own, meaning your body simply cannot use most of it. But there is one incredibly simple fix: black pepper. Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, and piperine has been shown to increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. That is not a typo. 2,000%. This was published in a clinical study, and it is one of the most remarkable food combination findings in modern nutrition science. So every single time you use turmeric, in cooking, in golden milk, in any form, add a small pinch of black pepper alongside it. It costs nothing. It adds almost no noticeable taste, and it makes the turmeric dramatically, incomparably more powerful inside your body. Also, cook turmeric with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or coconut oil. Curcumin is fat-soluble, which means it dissolves in fat and gets absorbed much better when eaten with it. Turmeric plus black pepper plus a little healthy fat is the most powerful combination. Here is how to get turmeric into your daily routine without any extra effort or complicated recipes. In the morning, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper to your scrambled eggs. Cook them in a little olive oil. This takes zero extra time, costs almost nothing, and gives you your full daily dose of curcumin with perfect absorption before your day even starts. At lunch or dinner, add turmeric to rice, lentils, soups, curries, or any roasted vegetables. Turmeric has a mild, slightly earthy flavor that blends into almost any savory dish without changing the taste in a way most people would notice. Always add black pepper. Always use a little oil in the cooking. These two steps are not optional. They are what make the turmeric actually work. Golden milk is one of the most powerful health drinks you can make at home. Warm a cup of milk. Dairy or any plant-based milk works. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a small pinch of black pepper, and a little honey for taste. Stir well and drink it slowly before you sleep. Your body does most of its cellular repair work during deep sleep. Giving your body curcumin right before bed means it has the tools it needs for repair during the hours when repair is most active. This is smart, science-backed timing. Half a teaspoon to 1 full teaspoon of turmeric powder per day is the right amount for most people. You do not need more than this. Consistency matters more than quantity. A small amount every day for months and years is far more powerful than a large amount once in a while. The most powerful effects of turmeric are happening at the cellular level, which means you will not always see or feel them directly. But there are things many people do notice with consistent use. After 2 to 4 weeks of daily turmeric, many people report less joint stiffness and pain in the mornings. After 4 to 6 weeks, people with skin issues often notice improvements as inflammation reduces throughout the body. After 2 to 3 months of consistent use, mood, energy levels, and mental clarity often improve, which is connected to the BDNF effects on the brain. The most important effects, DNA protection, cellular repair, reduced cancer risk, and long-term inflammation reduction, are happening silently inside your cells from the very first day. You may not feel them, but the science is clear that they are real and they matter enormously for your long-term health. That is everything. The science, the food, and the simple daily plan. One food, turmeric with black pepper every single day. It is not expensive, it is not complicated, it is not something new or trendy. It is one of the most studied, most proven, most powerful natural foods on the planet, and most people are not using it properly. Start today. Add turmeric and black pepper to your next meal. Make golden milk tonight before bed. That is all it takes to begin. Drop a comment below and tell us, do you already use turmeric? And did you know about the black pepper trick? We read every single comment. We would love to hear from you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up right now. It truly helps this channel grow so we can keep making free content like this for you every single week. And if you are not yet subscribed to Fitness2Go, hit that subscribe button and the bell right now so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your cells, because healthy cells make a healthy life. We will see you in the next one.